Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a quick unboxing and give you my first impressions of the all-new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip5. But before I get into this unboxing, you already know what I'm going to say. Check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I am unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip5. I've been using the Motorola Plus, so I wanted to try out the new Samsung device. I picked this up from T-Mobile. I actually do have the Galaxy Z Fold 5 coming in too, which I'm going to do an unboxing in a different video. I really enjoyed my time with the Razr Plus, so I was like, why not try out the Galaxy Z Flip5, especially since they have that external display now. It's a bigger display than normal or what they had in the past. Why not try it out? I got a good deal from T-Mobile, but here's the unboxing part of it. Y'all see the presentation, Samsung. It says Galaxy Z Flip5 there and Samsung on this side. I'm not going to take too long on the unboxing. You get a cable down here probably and some books. There it is. Up at the top, you have your SIM card slot removal. I mean, most of these phones are eSIMs anyway now, but if you have your SIM card, it's there. Man, look at this unboxing, man. Look, we already know the unboxing is boring, but there's the unboxing. Here's the phone itself. I did get the Graphite. Let's see. It feels really, man, nice and premium feel. It feels kind of, it got a little weight to it, but not too heavy. While that is starting up, let's go over the specs. So right in front of your face right there is the 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED panel that Samsung is known for. It has a 1080p panel, it's 1080p plus, 120 hertz refresh rate on that main screen there. Also, when you fold it, here's the biggest thing. When you unfold it, or when you fold it up, this is where Samsung has improved. It's a 3.4-inch AMOLED panel. It's 720p. It goes up to 60 hertz refresh rate. Well, while this one on the Razr Plus it's up to 144 hertz. But, I mean, it's pretty much the same size. Look at that. I do like, look how no gap in between the hinge. I think that's another improvement they did. There's no really gap. They improved the hinge. Now you do still have the crease, but the hinge is there. You can flex on people. Now in these main cameras, you have a 12 megapixel wide main shooter, and then you have a 12 megapixel ultra wide. And then the cover or the inner display, you have a 10 megapixel shooter there. Now, with this phone, you can do flex mode, so you're probably going to be using the outside cameras a lot more than what you would do on the inside. Now, it comes with Android 13 straight out the box. It also has 8 gigs of RAM. This is a 512 gigs of storage on here, which you can get 256. It has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor for Galaxy, so I am really excited to use the new chip in the Galaxy because the S23 Ultra has been a great phone, especially with that chip in there. You have a 3700 milliamp hour battery. It has water resistance, IPX8 water resistance, where this one doesn't, so that's an upgrade there. I do like the back on here. This back is a little bit shiny, but it's okay. I'm going to have it in a case and have screen protectors on there. Also, it gets super bright. This main display here gets really bright. But let's go over the phone too. So, you have your power button. Looks like a fingerprint scanner. Volume rockers there. You have your SIM card slot up here. You have your USB Type-C charging port, a microphone, speaker down there. Then you also have another microphone there. Man, what y'all think? I mean, bam. The hinge feels really good, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is pause the video, go set it up, put my information in there. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, everyone, so I'm back. I was able to set it up. I've been using it for a couple hours now, and yes, I do enjoy it. It is nice. I love how that doesn't show a gap like the old one, and then the outer display is amazing. I do have to play around with it more. You know, I know you can get Good Lock to download more apps and YouTube and stuff, which you can definitely do. But that display can change everything. Like, it will change just the way you use your phone. I mean, because you don't have to go ahead and open it up all the time. And then the hinge feels really nice when you open it. The fingerprint scanner works great. And it's just smooth, man. This is definitely, yeah, I love the flip size of these phones now. I mean, look at these two. Can you really go wrong with any of these? If this one will open. Can you go wrong with any one? I do like this back a little bit more than this shiny back here, because it will, you know, track some fingerprints, but that's okay. But just the overall feel of it, I love how you have that bigger display. That is a game changer. I said it with the Motorola Razr, and it's the same thing here. I mean, this phone is quick. I love that cover screen. They call it cover screen. Motorola calls it external display. But I'm definitely enjoying it. I just like the feel of it, the size. That's what I got into the flip devices for, is after this one. It's just, it really feels good in the hands, pause ladies. But there's so many features on here too that you can do. And I'm going to get into each one. I just want to give y'all my first impressions of the Galaxy Z Flip5. And I'm glad they made some changes from the 4, especially, again, y'all will understand the cover display a little bit more once you use it. Because you can use it for the cameras too, hopefully. And the way you can change the screen, if you hold it down, you can flip through all these different ones that they have, which is pretty cool. That's how you can change the cover display little thing there. So the one thing about the cover display, you can use it as, you know, a camera preview. So you just bring up your camera app. They do a little bit different than Motorola, but you hit this, and then what you can do is you can see what you're filming there. Mugly ceiling too. So that's pretty cool. I love you have that bigger screen now to do that. So stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to do more videos on this phone. I'm going to dig into it a little bit deeper. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me. Y'all let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip5 and also the Fold 5 too. I have that coming really soon. But until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.